CyberBrainer is an online training platform designed to help individuals and teams learn the latest technologies and become certified professionals, producing a comprehensive learning experience.
So that will be our leisure account. So we'll say leisure account here. And by default, because we had given the leisure account as a business object. As you can see, we do have option. Just like company also. But the typical 99% would always be a leisure account there. We'll talk about this, options, and all these things later on. First you did to learn the basics here, and then, once you are comfortable in experience, then try different options. Okay, now we have the leisure account. What next? Now I want to see the beginning balance, or the company. I want to see the company here. So if I just define again one more control field here. I'll say company, and you will see, by default we'll pick the company, because that's the only value remaining here. So company. Then the next one would be, again, I want to see the beginning balance, debit balance, because we want to see, you want to play around with this. You see, composite practice can take you months or also. It's not like you will learn everything in just one day or 1 month. It's about your interest and passion about reporting. See, every module have its own passion and interest. But a person, so the more interesting we show, the more you will learn. As seen, people just doing practice for 10 days, and after that they are playing. So it all depends on it. So we'll use it. Different column here, data column here. You want to bring data here? We'll say beginning balance. And now you remember that sub-report. So only metrics reports will come here. If I want advanced here, blanket advanced report, that will not appear. Only what is a metric support that will come here, like this blanket, first metric support. Now, moment you do, it will show you the prompts also, which we had to find at the metric support, only to define the value here. We'll go ahead as it is. And we'll say, and filter, I will get remember. We added 4 columns at the bottom that report beginning balance. Summarizing field, create amount, debit amount. Ending balance. Same values here also. Now, again, if I have to add 3 more columns again, I'll say data, and all those. What if I can duplicate this? Okay, you will see the benefit of the current duplicate this. So to duplicate everything here, we just need to change a few values. You can save a lot of that, so duplicate. Duplicate. The first one is meaning balance. Second column you want is debit. So we'll get an added here. What we are, buddy. It's a slow. Add it. And here we'll see debit amount. And here we'll keep the as it is, and see how simple it is. Otherwise, we would have to type like, didn't you call them? Then give the report name, then this video will come. And then you come down and all of this. Duplicate saves a lot of time. So we'll see debit amount here. Okay, I'm really okay. Then this would be a credit. Why or not you do this? Okay, so let's say add custom report, because we have this thing with us, we know how to find our report. And we'll say, link it, as we always say. Make the first composite report. Okay. So we'll see. Add credit amount here. Okay, let's make credit. Okay. The last would be ending balance. Let's mark the ending balance. And then again we have clear. Now you must be wondering where are those like filter columns, and all those things you know froms and everything? We have to visit now. So for that, here is our secret button, here settings. This gear, kind of icon, colored settings, and here we will see that magic thing here. Where is it? It's right here. The setting icon. This one. Oh. Okay, let me show you again. So here you need to come. Yeah. You let it come. It's taking some time. Yeah. Now see header, footer, column and ink prompt stopped shared ones. Remember this has to be shared with all the class users. At once we'll enable save parameters here. And prompts, just to make sure that, yes, you're the safer side. Hit on this prompt. Probably undefined plot default here. And it has only 6 values, which is good. Now let's run this report. And let's see how it looks like. Then we'll play around with this report like we can play on for our tools. But for now, let's do this. We'll say GMS USA. Mount type.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.